Hey, this is 6-bolt Von Doom's lab. I'm going to talk about how to add an Ultimarc AimTrak to Hook of the Reaper. So when you start Hook of the Reaper, it's going to be in the tray icon. So you got to open up the tray icon, then left click onto the Hook of the Reaper icon, which will then bring up the program onto the desktop. So the first thing you do, you select File, then to the first one, which is Add Light Gun. So you select that and click it, and it will bring up the Add Light Gun window. And this is usually when people kind of freak out and go, oh my god, I have to add all this stuff in, it's kind of crazy. But you don't have to add that much stuff at all. It's a lot of stuff that will be pre-filled in for you, and you kind of see how it's all set up. So the first one is the serial port options, which not be used because the AimTrak is a USB head light gun, so it'll be down over here. Then this is serial port and USB info. So this is only info. You don't fill anything into this at all. Then at the bottom you have recoil and reload options, which every light gun kind of have. So the first step is go to default light guns and click on that. Then select Ultimarc AimTrak. And as you can see, this took out the serial port. All the info now, it looks for AimTrak on the USB head and brings it up. And you should see things in red is the fields that you need to fill out or select. So let's put a name in first. We'll just call it AimTrak 1. I only have one, so we'll select that. Then once you add it, then this one will go away. So now we selected the light gun. Then the last one is the recoil priority, and this comes down to preference. So recoil and ammo value are pretty similar. So the recoil goes off the recoil signal. Then the ammo value goes off of the ammo value if it's available. So if the ammo goes down by 1, it does a recoil. Recoil rumble to solenoid's a little different. That is if there's an arcade rumble, recoil rumble signal. Because usually if an arcade gun used rumble to simulate recoil, when you pull the trigger, the signal just goes high until you let go or you run out of ammo kind of thing. And that's kind of, so when it's on, I have like a timer that runs and kind of makes the spikes you need for the solenoid. So that's kind of done inside Hook of the Reaper. Now, but only a handful of games use that. So it comes down to personal preference. Since the AimTrak doesn't have a rumble or vibration motor, there is no reload options. So it's only the 3 fields to fill out. So once you're ready to add it, you can see you can just come down here and add the light gun. So you'll see it go from 1 to 2, and also hear a sound that happens to say, hey, we added the light gun. So let's do that now. And as you can see now, there's no other USB head light guns, AimTraks that I can add as it disappears as it's been added. Okay, so let's close. So now after playing some games, you're like, oh, I want to change the recoil priority. I kind of want to try out maybe recoil rumble to solenoid. How a person does that? When you come down here, you go edit light gun, which will bring up a window very similar to the add light gun. Then here I have the list, so you can see the first gun was Alien. Now I have a AimTrak, so I can select the AimTrak, and you see it brings up all the information that we put in. So now I wanted to change the recoil priority, so I can come over here and I'll change that from 2 to 0 and make recoil from 0 to 2, because you have to have 0, 1, 2, then that will be 3. Then once you're done, and ready to edit, you can hit the edit, which will make a sound to confirm, hey, the light gun was edited. We'll do that now. And also you can delete the light gun if you want to. But that's how you add the Ultimarc AimTrak. Thanks. Bye.